Industry finds wide uses for asbestos in the construction of its buildings, just as the farmer and homeowner do. So do schools, hospitals, and public buildings. Roofs built of asbestos felts bring added fire protection and effectively safeguard the buildings and their contents. Asbestos cement exterior walls provide the freedom from maintenance that building owners want. Rust-proof and durable, they are resistant to chemicals, fumes, heat, smoke, steam, and weather. Inside the building, asbestos movable walls make it possible to change space layouts without a costly loss of time and with complete salvage of existing materials. And asphalt or vinyl asbestos tile is probably the most widely used flooring in business, commercial, and institutional buildings. Yes, products of asbestos fiber make an important contribution to practically every phase of our lives. And through intensive and dedicated creative research, such products are developed. Here, the scientists, technicians, and other workers have at their service modern aids to scientific research, tools to enable them to find still newer, better ways for asbestos to serve mankind. It took millions of years for nature to create asbestos fiber. It was only 100 years ago that a man named H.W. Johns had an idea how it could be made commercially useful. This is how that idea has grown, from one man to thousands of men and women, to mines and factories in the United States, in Canada, and across the sea.